Today I want to show you how to place your key remote entry, your keyless entry button for a lot less than what it'll cost you to do at a dealer. They usually charge upwards of $100, but from Tom's Key Company, you get this for way less than the dealership price. And I'll include some links where you can get those down below in the video description. Now, we're doing this on a 2008 Toyota Sienna. This same technique works on a ton of different Toyota vehicles. I'll include the full list down in the video description, including the years. Let's take a closer look. So the dealership wants to charge you a lot of money to do this. It's really quick, very easy. Anyone can do it. Watch these steps. You want to follow along very carefully. First thing, make sure all the doors are closed in your vehicle. Have the key ready to go. Do not put it in the ignition yet. This is kind of like those old Nintendo video games that people used to play, where you got to do BB, up, left, right, down, enter twice, all that stuff. And that's really what gets us into the programming mode. Put the key into the ignition once, pull it out. Put it in again, pull it out. Do not turn the key. You have to do that within 5 seconds. Then you want to close the driver's door. You're going to open it. You're going to close it again. So that's closing it twice. Open it. Put the key in the ignition. Pull it out once. Okay. Now you need to close the door. Then you need to open the door. You need to close the door and open the door. This time you're going to put the key into the ignition. Do not turn it yet. Close the door. Turn the ignition to the on position, so don't start the car. But till the lights turn on, turn the key off. Pull the key out. The locks clicked. So when the locks click, that lets you know you've entered into programming mode. That's the key. Now that we're in programming mode, you can do this with as many remotes as you have to program. So you're going to push and hold the lock and unlock buttons for 1 second, and then you let them go. After you do that, press and hold the lock button for a second. Let it go. The lock cycled. We saw them close. They opened again. That lets us know it's been successful. With that, we're going to open the door. We've now ended the programming mode. So let's check and see if our locks work. It locked. It unlocked. It locked. Wonder if we can make the alarm go. There goes the alarm. Let's see if the sliding door goes. So when I first finished programming, the sliding door remote didn't seem to work. All I had to do is get out the car, make sure I had the car unlocked. There is that little button down by the driver's side door that's on the panel. I had to make sure that was still in the correct position to enable the sliding door to work. And actually the car's unlocked, and then it works just fine. If you have a Sienna with dual sliding doors, press both sliding door buttons together and then each one individually before you finish programming mode. Now, to cut your key, you have two options. You can enjoy the hassle of driving all over town trying to find someone that will cut your key blade, or you can simply order our optional Key by Photo key cutting service. The Key by Photo service from Tom's Key Company is super easy. After completing your order checkout, simply take your key off the key ring. Then you upload 3 photos of your existing key, and with the wonders of technology, we'll cut your spare key before shipping, so it arrives ready to fit your vehicle. If you've lost all your keys, I'm sorry about that. Go check out our All Keys Lost section, where we'll point you to a company that can come to you and help you make a spare. So there you have it. You can follow the same step for a ton of different Toyota vehicles. Thanks for watching. Like the video, but don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.